What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So the question is that what is a CPU and GPU war? CPU war is like Intel versus AMD, and a GPU war is Nvidia versus AMD. I mean, fans which become troll. Even for example, like AMD graphic card is faster. Nvidia fanboy or Nvidia trolls are going to say no. Nvidia is the best. Same with the AMD. AMD trolls are going to say why fan equal troll. Yes, not all fan equal troll, but or most of the trolls equal fan. I mean, yeah, I hope you got it. So there's like, I mean, they fight, I mean, with each other, I mean, but the sad reality is that after the rise of the influencer, which mean the YouTuber, fake tech YouTubers, totally sold out YouTuber, they mostly, I mean, push for the Nvidia graphic card or Intel processor. So nowadays, I mean, people just assume that Intel is better for CPU or Nvidia is better. But back in the days, I mean, there was like so much, I mean, fight. I mean, at that time there was ATI, AMD body ATI. So yeah, I mean, it's like, I mean, my CPU is the best, your CPU suck, like that. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.